Do you dream of creating a relaxing spa business where people can escape their busy lives? Have you ever wondered what it takes to open a spa business that not only attracts clients but also thrives in the competitive wellness industry? If you're looking to start a spa business, then in this video we're sharing 20 steps on how to start a spa business step by step. Step 1. Conduct market research. First step is to study the spa industry, understand your target audience, and make sure to analyze competitors in your area. Step 2. Define your niche. Which type of spa do you want to open? Is it a day spa, destination spa, medical spa, or wellness center? Specialize in unique services to stand out. Step 3. Create a business plan. Outline your spa's vision, mission, target market, pricing, marketing strategy, and financial projections. Step 4. Choose a location wisely. Pick a location with high visibility, accessibility, and ample parking. Ensure the area matches your target market's preferences. Step 5. Obtain licenses and permits. Research local regulations and secure necessary licenses, permits, and certifications to operate legally. Step 6. Develop a budget. Calculate the total costs including rent, equipment, staff salaries, and marketing, securing funding through savings, loans, or investors. Step 7. Design your spa layout. Create a calming and functional environment with separate spaces for reception, treatment rooms, and relaxation areas. Step 8. Purchase quality equipment. Invest in high-quality spa equipment, furniture, and tools like massage tables, steam rooms, and skincare machines. Step 9. Hire skilled staff. Recruit licensed therapists, estheticians, and receptionists with excellent customer service skills. Step 10. Develop a service menu. Offer a mix of popular treatments, sausage facials, manicures, and signature services. Step 11. Build a strong brand. Create a memorable spa name, logo, and tagline. Step 12. Set competitive pricing. Research competitors' pricing and set rate that balance affordability with profitability. Offer introductory packages and loyalty programs. Step 13. Market your spa effectively. Use a mix of online and offline marketing including social media, Google Ads, local partnerships, and promotional events. Step 4. Create a user-friendly website. Include information about services, pricing, staff profiles, and online booking. Step 15. Invest in software for spa management. Use software for appointment scheduling, client management, inventory tracking, and payment processing. Step 16. Offer excellent customer service. Train staff to provide a welcoming experience. Address clients' needs and handle complaints professionally to build loyalty. Step 17. Build partnerships. Collaborate with local businesses like Yoga studios and hotels for cross-promotion. Step 18. Focus on hygiene and cleanliness. Maintain a clean and sanitary environment to ensure client safety and trust. Step 19. Collect client feedback. Ask clients for reviews and suggestions. And step 20. Stay updated with industry trends. Attend workshops, expos, and training sessions to stay informed about new treatments, techniques, and customer preferences. If you found this video helpful, then share and subscribe this channel to get future videos.